Hello everyone, I'm Shweta Verma and you're watching Indian Masterminds, where we bring you real stories of India's changemakers. When the search began for the next Chief Secretary of Jharkhand, many names circulated, but one name kept coming back again and again, Avinash Kumar. Not because he is flashy, not because of political drama, but because he is reliable. For years, he handled multiple critical departments at the same time, quietly ensuring that the engines of Jharkhand government never stopped. Born on August 29, 1969, Avinash Kumar grew up in a family where discipline, education and integrity were everyday values. His father, Tapeshwar Narayan Thakur, worked first as an engineer at Bokaro Steel Factory and later became a lawyer. A mix of technical brilliance with sharp judgment that shaped Avinash's personality. After completing his B.Tech and M.Tech, Avinash joined the IAS in 1993. Fun fact, as children, Avinash wanted to become IPS and his elder brother wanted to become IAS. Life flipped those dreams. The elder one became IPS and Avinash became IAS. Their village in Sitamarhi, Bihar still tells this story with pride. Before becoming the Chief Secretary, Avinash Kumar held 6 major roles simultaneously: Additional Chief Secretary, Chief Minister's Office Development Commissioner, Additional Chief Secretary Energy, CMD for JUVNL, MD for JBVNL, Resident Commissioner, Jharkhand Bhavan, New Delhi. So many key roles, zero disruption. Inside the system, he was known for his calm leadership, crisis control, and silent efficiency. Jharkhand's biggest challenge for years was electricity. Under Avinash Kumar's leadership, electrification expanded, distribution networks became stronger. JUVNL and JBVNL were recognized, consumer delivery improved even in rural pockets. Colleagues say his approach worked because he didn't treat electricity as just a service, but as the base of development. With consistent performance, he became one of the Chief Minister's Hemant Soren's most trusted officer. Major government decisions, development plans, welfare schemes, crisis management often passed through him. His appointment as Chief Secretary reflects trust, continuity and long-term vision. And with his tenure extending till August 2029, Jharkhand enjoys the rare advantage of stable leadership for the next 3 years. Avinash Kumar is expected to drive faster coordination among departments, quicker and stronger decision making, executing welfare schemes with speed, long-term continuity instead of frequent disruption, growth in energy and industrial sectors. Jharkhand is not just looking for routine governance, in fact, it wants progress with momentum. Officers who have worked with him often describe him as firm but never loud, reserved but approachable, detailed focused, strict but timelines driven, completely uninterested in publicity. He is known as someone who prefers working on the files late at night instead of appearing in the media. Avinash Kumar's appointment is not just a posting, it is a strategy. A trusted officer, deep knowledge of ongoing projects, long and stable tenure for the state, with IAS Avinash Kumar leading the state's administration. Jharkhand moves forward with confidence, stability and clarity. This was the story of IAS Avinash Kumar, a leader of discipline, clarity and quiet efficiency at the heart of Jharkhand's administration. Thank you for watching Indian Masterminds. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such inspiring stories of India's real change makers. Until next time, stay inspired and stay curious.